All right, let's make this quick. In this tutorial, we're going to draw a star shape and then convert it to curves in Affinity Studio. So first, grab the star tool from the Tools panel on the left and click-drag on your canvas to draw a star. You can hold Shift to keep it perfectly proportioned. Once the star is on your canvas, you'll see little red handles. These let you adjust how many points your star has, how deep the spikes go, and how round or sharp the tips look. Go ahead and play around with those until you like the shape. Now, if you want full control to reshape it manually, you need to convert it to curves. Just click on the Convert to Curves icon in the Context toolbar, or go to the top menu and choose Vector to convert to curves. Once you do that, your star becomes a curve and the Node tool activates automatically. Now you can drag the points or adjust the lines to completely change the look of your star. Just remember, once converted to curves, you can't edit it like a regular star anymore. And that's it, a quick, easy way to create and customize shapes in Affinity Studio.